Hey friends, welcome back. You're probably wondering, Rachel, why are you drinking coffee stayed on your floor? Yes, I get it. Today we're gonna organize underneath here, underneath the sink. I recently got 2 containers from Amazon to help me better organize all my cleaning supplies. So, you'll probably see a kitty cat. Oh, there she is. Cats will probably be coming in and out. So, okay, let's open this up. Let's see what it looks like. But first, cheers. All right, so it's not that bad. I think it just needs a good cleaning, and there's definitely some dirt down here. I do already have a container here, but it's really hard to see what everything is. I don't know. It's just, I have a lot of soaps. So when things are on sale, I stock up. So I have a lot of soap. And I just have sponges too. I have so many sponges. Look at the back here. Sponges. So many sponges. Okay. So I'm going to take everything out, kind of assess what I have. Is this a good angle? This is a really good container. I think I'm just going to clean it out and repurpose it for somewhere else. I got everything cleared out. I'm going to clean it. It needs a good wipe down. So I'm going to do that really quick. I got it cleaned out. I forgot to mention, if you're cleaning out cabinets below your countertop, I would highly suggest having a cushion for your knees to protect your joints. Because these hard floors, probably not so good for your knees. Also, if you need help, please ask for help when you're organizing anything close to the floor. I would hate for you to get injured or have some soreness in your body when you're cleaning. So always ask for help if you need it. Protect your joints. The more you know. So I have these containers. Hello. And they slide out. Or I'll show you this way. Ta-da! Okay. So I got these on Amazon. Very simple to put together. Highly recommend a container such as this. And what's neat is that it's larger on the bottom, but kind of smaller on top. They are just gonna slide right here. Perfect. So all of this is not gonna be in the way because you have the smaller container up top. And then this slides. How cool is that? To go for the other side, I'm gonna need this out of the way. Well, what in the hell? There's like a, do you see this? It's not cooperating. Okay, I don't like that. Ugh. Son of a, we're just gonna have to deal with that. All right, let's sort through some of this stuff. I've used baking soda and vinegar to unclog drains in my sink, and also as a natural deodorizer too. This stuff I searched online, so take it as you'd like. All right, I'm gonna condense some items just to make it a little bit easier. I don't have all these bottles hanging out, so I'm gonna do that right now. This is my soap dispenser. So this is our little like junk container. I'm gonna kind of go through this, see what we can maybe put in the garage. Maybe we can condense, put it in a smaller container. I don't know, it's kind of handy just to have like a flashlight and screwdriver close by if you need it. But a lot of this stuff can probably, what is this? Oh, ant killer. Stuff that we can put in the garage. So I'm gonna quickly organize this. You can see over here, I have this really cute over the door hanger. I love this here. That way I can clean up my hands after doing dishes, but also it has a nice storage on the inside. So I'm just putting my pods, rinse aids, some trash bags, just some small items in here. These are, what are these? These are the garbage disposal. You put them in there, turn your garbage disposal on, and it kind of freshens it up. I don't know. I didn't even know I had these. So I'll put those right there. Maybe I'll put my gloves there too. Just kind of catching all the smaller, oh, and a toothbrush. I know, I like to have a toothbrush on hands just to kind of get the small crevices, like around the sink drain and around the faucet, like those hard to reach places. So I just keep an old toothbrush. So I'll probably put that in here too. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna start putting all of this stuff back in the containers. So I am finished. This is the finished organization. I love it. So these slide out, which is perfect. I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit blurry, but I put all of my screwdrivers, tape measure, the baking soda, everything on top. I put things that I usually use regularly, trash bags, Lysol wipes, this glass spray bottle, the soap, all the sponges. Oh, so cute. All right, so that is it. I hope this was a little bit helpful. I will be making more videos. I really want to make a craft video next. And I do have another meal prep video next. So thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me in my creativity. Until next time, take care, my friends. Bye-bye.